Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, did someone rob me? Or did I just buy too much Chipotle again? And then you go online and see a 22-year-old making six figures selling digital cat calendars, and you're like, what am I doing with my life? This video isn't just about making money. It's about flipping the script on your 20s. Because, let's be honest, school taught us mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, but never taught us how to make actual power moves in life. So if you're in your 20s and want to make $100,000 before you're 30, even if you're broke, clueless, you're in the right place. Let's go. The reality check. Let's get real for a second. Most people waste their 20s thinking they have time. Oh, I'll figure it out eventually. Let me just enjoy my 20s. I'm still young. Yeah, until you're 29 with $7 in your account and still Googling how to get rich quick without working. Here's the truth. Your 20s are the most important decade to build momentum. You probably don't have kids yet. You've got energy, flexibility, and the internet. And failure, it's expected. No one judges a 24-year-old for trying and failing, but they will judge a 34-year-old for still figuring things out. And here's the scary part. If you don't take control now, you'll spend your 30s regretting your 20s. But here's the good news. Making $100K in your 20s isn't just possible. It's predictable if you follow the right steps. The game plan. All right, let's break down the exact 4-phase roadmap to hit your first 100K, even if you're starting from scratch. Phase 1, skill acquisition. You don't get paid for time, you get paid for value. If you want to make money online, you need a high-income skill. Not watching Netflix at 2x speed. We're talking skills like copywriting, video editing, freelance design. Pick one and go deep, not wide. Spend 1 to 3 months getting dangerously good at one skill. That's your money weapon. Phase 2, monetization. Once you're skilled, it's time to get paid. Here's what to do. Freelance platforms. Start with Upwork, Fiverr, or Contra. Low paying at first? Sure, but you're getting testimonials, reviews, and reps. Cold outreach. DM business owners on Instagram or LinkedIn. Example, hey, I noticed your reels could use better captions. I'm a video editor. Want me to do one for free? Give value, build trust, then charge. Social proof. Post on Twitter, LinkedIn. Just help the coach grow 3x on YouTube in 30 days. Proof equals power. $500, $2,000 per month is easy once you're in motion. Phase 3, scaling. Now that you're making money, don't upgrade your car, upgrade your systems. Use AI tools to speed up your workflow. Hire cheap help on Fiverr for repetitive tasks. Package your service as a monthly retainer so you don't chase invoices. Your first $5K month comes when you stop trading time and start selling outcomes. Phase 4, stack and invest. Don't blow your income on Drip and DoorDash. Here's the wealth play. Live below your means. Boring is sexy. Save and invest. Index funds or your own business. Reinvest into leverage assets like digital products, content, personal brand. This is how you turn $100K into freedom, not just flexing. The transformation. Let's recap. You started off broke, confused, maybe a little scared. Now imagine this. You're 27. You're working from a beach cafe in Mexico or a cabin in Colorado. You check your phone, another payment notification. You've built a life on your terms, with skills that no one can take away. This isn't just about the money, it's about options. Option to say no to toxic bosses. Option to travel without asking for PTO. Option to live life like you own the game. You're no longer stuck in survival mode. You're playing to win. If you're still watching, that tells me one thing. You're serious about changing your life. So here's your next move. Hit that subscribe button. This channel is your roadmap to online freedom. No fluff, no scams, just real strategies that work. Drop a comment below. I'm building my $100,000 plan. I'll personally reply with a free guide to help you start. Let's run it. Your 30-year-old self will thank you.